Hi sis, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I transformed this wig. My client brought this wig for me. It has lost its curls, so what we're going to do here is we're going to try to restore the curls back on this wig. So if you want to see how to restore your curls back to your wig, then please keep on watching this video. So I'm going to start by washing this hair. I just went into my bathroom and I washed the hair and shampooed with shampoo and conditioner, of course, and conditioned it for about 30 minutes, then rinsed it off. So now what I'm trying to do now is I want to start styling this wig. And for styling this wig, what I'm basically going to apply on the hair is a styling mousse. I'm going to reach out for the styling mousse. I'm going to show you that styling mousse very soon. Yeah, that's the styling mousse I'm using. Just going to take a few pumps of it and apply that mousse all over the hair. What the mousse does is it helps to form, like it's going to help the curls last longer in the hair. So I'm just applying that mousse all over the part of the hair that I want the curls to be on. Then next I'm going to be using that rollers. You can see that rollers that you tend to use for what they call it. If you are in the African, if you live in Africa, you should know what salons then call washing and setting. So what I'm basically doing to restore the curls on this hair is I'm setting the curls back into motion. So right now, after using the roller to roll that small portion of the hair that I cut out, I'm just using a rubber band to secure the hair on the roller so that the hair is tight on it and the curls can last long on the hair. And take note, you want to be very careful when you're doing this. You want to make sure that you're not taking in so much hair and you're able to wrap the hair around the rollers very well and really secure it with the rubber band so that the grip is firm and the hair is able to form a very strong, beautiful bouncy coil after it's dried. So what I'm basically doing now is a very repetitive process. I'm just sectioning the hair, taking small sections of the hair, and I'm reaching out for the rollers and starting from the tip of the hair and taking it up to the up part. Then I use my rubber band to hold it down. I try to use the rubber band to go around from the beginning part of the hair down towards the end of the hair on that rollers, and I proceed to taking another portion of the hair and repeating the same process. Guys, this is very repetitive. All of what you need to achieve this is your mannequin head, your mannequin stand. You would also need your T-pins to just secure the wig on the mannequin head. You would also need to get these rollers, and some of the rollers they even sell in the market they come with like a clip. So all you just need to do is just roll the hair and put the clip in. So you don't need to use a rubber band. If you can get this type of roller, it's better for you. It's going to save you the time which I used in using the rubber band. Because I still have this particular rollers, I just keep on using it. So guys, repeat the process until we are done. Like you just go around the entire hair. It's a very repetitive process. And while you're watching this video, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Make sure you share this video with any friends who you think are going to get value out of it, because from simply doing this thing I'm doing here, when you curl your hair like this, your curls are going to last at least a minimum of 2 weeks or even 1 month, depending on how you maintain your hair. Imagine going to a salon for them to get this thing done for you. The minimum they'll probably charge you if you're living in Africa. In Nigeria, might just be around, let's say, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 naira, and in some places it might even be more. So being able to do this for yourself is going to save you money. So just watch the process well and practice. Get the things that I use in doing this process, and you'll find that it's very easy. So now we're almost wrapping up with the parts of the hair that I haven't curled. I think I have one or two more left. So So I'm using like double rubber band just to ensure that I go over it well. And in the parts where I probably use just one rubber band, I'm going to go over it with another rubber band just to make sure it's very secure. So now we are done with coiling all of the hair. We're going to then proceed now to setting the hair aside to dry. So I'm just going to take the wig off from the mannequin head after I've secured the parts of the rollers that have just one single rubber band. I'm going to add one more rubber band to those ones. Then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to take the wig off the mannequin head and I'm going to take it outside to my balcony to leave it there to get dry. The one problem I encountered during the period when I set this wig aside to get dried was that it's been raining consistently, like every blessed day in Lagos. So I ended up using my hand dryer to dry the hair completely. You can see what I'm doing right now. It's some sort of dry, but I felt like on the inside of the hair it's not very dry. So I had to just resort to using a hand dryer to just apply some heat on the hair to sort of dry it a bit more before I then take off the rollers from the hair. Yeah, so I think it's getting drier and drier. So now I'm going to start taking off the rollers from the hair and just check to see if it's a bit dry. Like this one here seemed a bit down, but I think I'll just have to work with it because the owner of this particular wig is traveling, so it's something I just have to deliver. So I'm just going to take off all of the rollers from the hair so you guys get to see how it looks. You can see how beautiful the curls are. Just see how gorgeous it looks. Like the hair almost looks as if it's new. That's the beauty of knowing how to revamp hair. And if it's something you can practice, you definitely you will know how to do it very well, and you can make money from just doing wig revamps. There are people that their whole business is just on doing wig revamps. So practice as much as you need to practice. You definitely master the act of restoring wigs and all, and it's something you can make good profit from doing. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to style the closure area. I'm trying to make sure I lay the flyaway hairs around the area well. I used my air wax there, and I'm just using my hot iron now to just lay all the hairs that are standing down. Yes. So making sure I lay all the hairs well. Trying to use my hands to form the curl patterns well. Yeah, see how the hair looks. The curls are so beautiful, like yummy beautiful curls. Wow, I love how it looks. So guys, if you like how this wig turned out, let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. If you have an advice on something I can do to make it look better, let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys. Bye.